where is it? Libre amin. Wow, no one shall look. There's a line up. Okay, line up, take off your shoes. Okay, go. We just asked cotton candy. We want cotton candy too. What color do you like? Hi.
I got it. No, the just grab it.
Me too. I want to.
Yana?
Purple.
Done.
Hi, Kuya Noah Sam. See, she's so happy to see you.
Mommy, I want this baby go inside here.
Yeah, you can play. No, she cannot do it yet. She's talking to you. Yeah.
Right, guys, a couple of rules before you. What it is. One of my cows is, please be careful, don't go behind their bums as they are still babies and they do get spooked quite a bit. The pig was always squealing because but I'll see you later.
Go, Noah Shams. Go, Noah Shams.
Let them pick up the chickens if the chickens.
I'm sorry, Katura.
This chicken. Please, everybody away from his bum just in case he kicks.
Yeah. The horse kicks, so don't go behind him. Just touch there. Touch. Ball put. It's okay. That's the way it is.
I want to come here next time.
Yeah, on Saturday again, we're going to Daddy's work. There's a bouncy castle there again. Okay?
Yeah, but I don't want to go to